Hello students. So today we will discuss second chapter of class 11th of mathematics, relation and function. Relation and functions. Okay. So first topic which we have to discuss is ordered pair. So what is ordered pair? So it is simply defined as two elements enclosed with within a round bracket, just see like this, and separated by a comma is called an ordered pair. That is, let's see, A comma B is an ordered pair. Okay, now where A is called the first element and B is called the second element. Okay, so A comma B, just see this A comma B is not equal to B comma A. In first chapter, A comma B in curly braces and B comma A in curly braces both are same, because order doesn't matter in set, but in relation order matters. So A comma B and B comma A, these both are different. Okay, and if A comma B comma C is there, so it is called an order triplet. If three different variables are there, so it is called as order triplets. So why it is different, A comma B and B comma A? In previous class 10, you have seen simultaneous linear equations or pair of linear equations or graphical representation, where you have seen quadrants. This was first, second, third, and this is fourth. So any point which we derive as xy, which we called as coordinate. So in this, x was abscissa and y was what? Ordinate. And when we combine both, we say it as coordinate. Okay, so let's see, if there is a point, let's take one example, 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. If we mark these points on the graph, so 2 comma 1, I think we will get like this here, and 1 comma 2, something here. So these 2 points are different, therefore the ordered pairs will always different, such as A comma B is not equal to B comma A. Okay, so this is called ordered pair. Now second thing is Cartesian product. What is Cartesian product? So first of all, let A and B be any two sets, then the Cartesian product of A and B is given by, such as A cross B. If we write it in set builder form, ordered pair A comma B such that, this is such that sign, either you can use this sign or you can use simple this sign, okay, such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. For example, take one example. Let's say A is equal to A comma B comma C and B is equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay, now we have to calculate A cross B. So according to Cartesian product, A cross B is A belongs to A and B belongs to B. So in set we will write all the ordered pairs of A cross B. That will be our Cartesian products. How? Let's see. A comma 1, A comma 2, okay, A comma 3 and A comma 4. Now use here also comma. Now B comma 1, B comma 2, B comma 3, B comma 4. Now C comma 1, C comma 2, C comma 3 and C comma 4. So these all ordered pairs which we will make from each elements of A and B. This is only called A cross B and it's known as Cartesian product. Okay, so A comma 1, A comma 2, A comma 3, A comma 4, okay, B comma 1, B comma 2, B comma 3. So will A cross B and B cross A will same? No, it will not be same. Why? Let's see. B cross A. If we will make B cross A, so we will make ordered pair like 1 comma A, 2 comma B, okay, 3 comma C, like this. Then 1 comma B, 2 comma A, okay, 2 comma C. So see here B first element will be changed according to this. If we use A element from A, B element from B in this condition, for B cross A, the ordered pair will be changed. It will be reversed like B comma A, and now B will belongs to B and A will belongs to A. Okay, so we will make like this. Let's see one example. I am taking A is equal to 1, 2 and 3 and B is equal to 5, 6. So first we will find A cross B. Okay, now we will find A cross B. So 1, 5 and 1, 6, 2, 5 and 2, 6, 3, 5 and 3, 6. Now for calculating B cross A, first we will use B elements of B set. So 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. Okay, now 6, 1, 6, 2, okay, 6, 2 and 6, 3. Okay, so see here, A cross B and B cross A is totally different. Okay, now note 3 points. First point is, if, let's see it, first point, if NA is equal to P and NB is equal to Q, then NA into B is equal to PQ. What it means? NA is equal to P means in first chapter said, I have already discussed that NA means number of elements in E. A, let's see this example only. Number of elements in A is 3, okay, is equal to P. Let's say it is P is equal to P. Okay, and number of elements in B is 2, 5 and 6 only 2, so let's say is 2. So it is saying then if NA is equal to P and NB is equal to P, so NA cross B will be PQ. NA cross B, if we want to find the elements of A cross B, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, it is 6. And here if we multiply P and Q, what we get? 6. So this logic is correct. If NA will be P and NB will be Q, so NA cross will always give you P into Q. Second point is A cross B cross C. Okay, so ordered pair A B C, A will always belong to A, B will always belong to B, and C will always belong to C. This is your second point for triplet. Okay, now third one is if A comma B is equal to C comma D, A comma B is equal to C comma D, then A will be equal to C and B will be equal to D. So try to learn these three properties. NA is equal to P and NB is equal to Q, therefore number of elements in A cross B will be PQ. A cross B cross C, if triplet pair will be there, so all the elements of A, B, C will be from A belongs to A, B belongs to B, and C belongs to C. And if A comma B ordered pair is equal to C comma D, then it will give you A equal to C and B equal to D. Okay, now let's see exercise 2.1, question number first. Question number first is there where it is given as if x by 3 plus 1 y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3, find x and y. Okay, so see this third one, A comma B is equal to C comma D, therefore A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Here same logic. Let's see, this is whole A and this is whole B and this is C and this is D. So A comma B, C comma D, so it means A will be equal to C. So what is A? X by 3 plus 1 is equal to C. What is C? 5 by 3. So X by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. This plus will go that side, will give minus sign. So X by 3 is equal to, take LCM, you will get 2 by 3. Okay, now 3 and 3 will be cancelled out, X will be 2. Okay, now B is equal to D, so Y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So Y is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So Y is equal to this 3 by 3 and Y value is 1. So our answer for X and Y is X is equal to 2 and Y is equal to 1. So like this we will solve the questions. Okay, see the next question of exercise 2.1. Second question, if the set A has element, if the set A has 3 elements, okay, and the set B is equal to 3 comma 4 comma 5, then find the number of elements in A cross B. Okay, so it is, the question is if the set A has 3 elements and set B has 3 4 5, find the number of elements in A cross B. So let's see, it is already given as NA is equal to 3, and if we calculate NB, what it is, 1 2 3, it also gives us 3. Now we already know that NA cross B is equal to, we have to find this. Okay, now we know that NA cross B is equal to NA into NB. How? See this note, if NA is equal to P and B is equal to Q, NA cross B will be PQ. So if we multiply NA, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So number of elements in A cross B will be 9. Okay, so like this we will solve the questions of exercise. Try to solve it. If you face any problem, you can ask me on WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.